to my channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Melanie. So nice to have you guys here, and for today's video, we're going to be doing a recreation of Shakira's makeup in her music video, Me Gusta with Anuel. I loved what she was wearing. And I thought it was like kind of simple and fun to recreate, so I really wanted to do this for you guys, and hopefully you guys can recreate it as well and like tag me in it. So this is what I came up with. Hopefully like this is a fun video for you guys to de-stress and watch while you're home, especially if you're quarantined. Crazy things are going on with the world right now, so hopefully like I could bring a little bit of light to your guys' day and like distract you from some things. Also, it's spring break. Don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing right now because quarantine. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and recreate it if you can. It was super duper fun to make and I love it. I honestly don't want to take this makeup off right now, but let me show you guys how I did it. Also, I am doing a giveaway if I can reach 500 subscribers, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit that notification bell while you're at it so you can get a notification every time I post. Hopefully you get a notification if you hit the notification button. But anyways, yeah, don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and let's get on and do this Shakira Me Gusta makeup tutorial. Okay guys, so to start off the look, I know I just reviewed this, but to be honest, this yellow is the closest one that I could find to Shakira's. I think I found out why I am not completely fond of this palette, and it's because it's not as pigmented as my other ones. Pigmentation isn't everything, but you definitely want the color to stick unless you're going for like a very natural slash flushed look. So I was able to do that on this side kinda. So I'm gonna be going in with Be Inspired. But before I do that, I have to prime my eyes. So okay, now that the eye is nice and primed, we're going to be going in with a dense Morphe E18 brush, and I'm hoping that this will pack a punch with the color, so I'm just going to go back in there and try and dab instead of swipe. So I'm going to that on and dab, dab, dab. Make your eyeshadow look fat. Who knows where that's from? And yep, the yellow is kind of appearing. So she was more pigmented. But for a nice natural flushed eyeshadow look, this is a great palette. Like if you like a nice natural look, I know like maybe these foils may look intimidating, but the foils are nice. I do like the foils. I'm not the biggest fan of the mattes, but I think it will grow on me eventually. I mean, people change their preferences. What you used to like before, you don't necessarily like as much as you did now. So I'm hoping this palette will grow on me because it is a really pretty palette. And just continue to dab that eyeshadow until you feel content. Next, we're going to be going in with this Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Question Mark. I think this one was limited edition. I tried to grab the pinkest one I could find. So we're just gonna dab, well, don't put it directly on your eye like that. Like put it on a little plate and then from there work on it on your eye. So one moment. I have some and I'm going to putting that on the outer part of my eye and bringing it in. I also am not sure what brush this is. Oh, okay, here we go. This is funny. This is actually for the lips too. This is a Crown brush, a deluxe pointed lip. But today it's gonna be eyeshadow brush. Oh no! I went a little bit higher than I wanted to. So, there. And I just buff it in a little bit with my finger. and just reapply because you don't want to lose the color. This part of Shakira's eye is really, really pink, and this eye is really, really yellow, even though you can't see it right now, but I promise it's yellow. No, just this yellow is more noticeable in person than it is on camera, which is why I am a big fan of pigmented colors, because I want you guys to be able to see it on camera just like I am able to see it in person, because in person, this is yellow. You can't see it, but can you see it with like my lights on? Like, no, not really. Kinda not, but it's there. Don't worry. I'm gonna try my best to make sure that you guys see it how I'm seeing it. So anyways, just adding that pink back in. Now I'm gonna take a Morphe M321 brush, and this is also kind of like a dense brush. And we're gonna be going into this color over here, and I believe that one is called Be Loving. So just take some on there and use that to buff out the outer edges. You want to be patient with this, so just make sure you're taking your time. This can be more time consuming than working with just shadows, because you also have the liquid lipstick under there, but if you take your time, then you will see results. And I actually did this a little bit too high, so what I just did is I went into the Blue Blood palette and took a little bit of Untouchable and used that to lower the shadow so the pink isn't so high up near my eyebrow. Because if you notice, Shakira has really nice, beautiful lids. Can't relate, but her shadow doesn't really go much past her eyelid. But because my eyelid is smaller, I did go a little bit more than what Shakira did, but I don't want it to go so high up that it's not like staying true to her eyeshadow look that she has in that music video. So I'm just gonna lower that a little bit with Jeffree Star's Blue Blood Untouchable. So a little higher up here, so let me go more towards the middle as well. Do that on this side too. There we go. Shakira's eyeliner looks so bomb, so I'm gonna use this Tarte Clay Paint Liner to do my eyeliner. And she has a wing, so that's what we're gonna do. And after you've primed, you're gonna go in with some foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade C4.5. And just gonna take that. And put that all over my face. I got them on my lip. I already have foundation on this side. It's just this side now, in case you couldn't tell. Going in with some Tarte Shape Tape to hide those bags because Shakira's flawless. And going in with the same brush and just dabbing slash patting. In Shakira's music video, she didn't really have like long noticeable lashes. I liked how she like kept it natural and her, but like go see the music video. it's a really nice music video. Basically she didn't have like long noticeable eyelashes. I think she kept it like natural with her lashes. Something she did have was a lot of blush. Like at least I noticed she had a lot of blush, so I'm gonna be putting a lot of blush on. I'm gonna be using this one by Peripera, number 6 Wonder Rose. And to make sure that this blush isn't going anywhere, I'm going to be going in with a MAC blush. I don't know the color of this, so it's just a MAC blush and it looks like this. So locking that in. Put some on the other side too. Because she had a lot of blush. And no bronzer in this video, so. Okay, last but not least, she also had a nice pink lip to go with this monochromatic look. So we're going to be going in with the same color we used to put on our eyes, on our lips. Hey guys, so this is my recreation of Shakira's makeup in her music video, Me Gusta. If you like this look, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel, because if I get 500 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. So you really want to hit that subscribe button and share my videos to make sure other people are subscribing as well, liking and ringing the bell notification for all that good stuff. So yeah, exciting things are coming. So please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. It's Makeup Mel. It's in the descriptions and down below. I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, challenges, recreations, and I also have a vlog channel if you guys are interested. So I'll put that somewhere here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, loves.